Hi guys, I'm Melissa with Hobby Quest, and today we are going to make a pull-on skirt. This project is very easy. There's no sewing involved. All you need for this project is the elastic, the scissors, and a safety pin, and of course a t-shirt. So let's get started. First thing that you want to do, which I prepared already, but you would have to do this, is you will have to draw a line. If I flip over my shirt, you see that I drew a line right under the shirt sleeve, so right from armpit to armpit, and I'm just gonna cut it across. So I would do that. I would make sure that I would draw the line with the students, because you don't want them to just freestyle cut, because it's going to be very crooked. So let's get started with the cutting. So I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna take my time cutting it all the way down. When you're ordering the t-shirts, just keep in mind that the shirts are kid sizes, so always size up, because it's easier to make something smaller than to make something bigger. Can't make anything bigger. So this is it. So you'll end up with something like this. Your next step, very easy. All you're going to do is right here where you have the end of the t-shirt, you're going to make a little hole right here. You're going to take the scissor and you're just going to snip a hole right here. Okay? And the hole doesn't have to, it has to be on this side, as you can see the inside of the shirt. It doesn't go through both sides, so as you can see this side of my shirt is still intact, only a little hole right here. Okay? So I'm gonna cut the elastic now. There's no right or wrong size to cut the elastic. I would cut it, a child's waist is very small, so I would cut about this much. Then I'm going to take my safety pin, and I am going to do this, and this is going to help me put this through the shirt. So I'll do it like this, very simple, and I would put the safety pin through the hole and just go through the shirt. So this is the hardest part of the project, which is putting the elastic through. So it might be difficult for some of the kids. Just keep encouraging them and tell them to keep trying, and just take your time. For me, this is going to take me a few minutes to do it, but for a child it might take even a whole session. So just help them out. If you see that another child is able to do it and she's done or he's done faster than the other children, just have them help the other ones. You always want to do that in this class, so we can teach them how to work together. So I'm going to go all the way around like so. As you can see, I'm going like this, and then I'm pulling it a little bit. You also don't want to lose this at the end, so make sure that you're keeping an eye on that on the other side. Make sure that you still have some left. So this skirt is very easy. There's no sewing involved. The fun part is decorating it, and we'll talk about a little bit about what we can do to decorate this once I'm done here. So I made it through the other side, and I'm just going to simply pull like so. And I might have some elastic left over, and that is fine. I'm just going to cut the extra. It's okay, and because remember, a child's waist is very tiny and we need it to fit tight once they wear it, so totally fine if you have some left. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to make a loop here, just like how I do when I thread the needle, the loop that I make at the end of it, same loop, and just pull like that, cut the extra elastic, and hide this so you don't see it, and there you have it. You have a pull-on skirt. Super easy, like I said. The next thing that you can do is you're going to decorate this, obviously. Some ideas that you can do is you can add pockets to it. You can fringe the bottom. You can, cut it in different styles at the bottom. The ideas are endless. So again, this was a super easy project. There's no sewing involved. The hardest part is actually using the safety pin and putting the elastic through. But again, it's super easy, and I hope this was helpful. Have a good quest.